So, you've probably seen people online showing off free stuff from Temu: headphones, kitchen gadgets, beauty tools, and you're wondering how they're actually getting it. Good news, it's real and it still works in 2026 if you activate it correctly. To make it easy, I've put the current Temu Free Gift code right on screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a few bonus codes that can help speed things up. Here's how the system actually works. Temu runs something called the Free Gift program, and it's not random. You have to activate it manually. Start by opening Temu and scrolling until you see Free Gift. Tap on it, and when it asks for a code, enter the one shown on screen or copy it from the description. Once you do that, you'll see a progress bar appear. That means the free gift event is active on your account. From there, Temu gives you a few simple actions to complete. Things like browsing products, checking deals, or opening categories. These aren't hard, they're just engagement steps. Each action fills the bar a little more. When the bar reaches 100%, your free item unlocks and gets added to your order. Yes, it's a real product, and yes, it ships. Temu updates these codes often, and older ones stop working, which is why I keep the description updated with the latest working versions. So if you want to try it yourself, use the code on screen or in the description. Follow the steps and see what you unlock. And if you do get something, comment what you received. I always like checking.